Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a certified instructor teaching 21 years. We're going to do a tutorial on left-hand turns. So you want to go smoothly into the turn and turn out. Sorry about the light being so bright, but at this intersection, there is no light. So you treat it as a four-way stop. That vehicle's there first, they should stop and go. Then once they go, then it is my turn. I'm the last one here, they go, then it's my turn, and then I'll wait. So if you're not sure, wait. Now it's my turn. I look left and right. I turn hand over hand into the turn. And then I turn out hand over hand. If you notice my hands, they stay at 9 or 3 or 10 and 2. I'm going to make another left-hand turn. My blinker's on. They have the right of way over me, so they're going to go first. I'm looking, scanning left, middle, right. I'm looking and I'm scanning. I have a green, and I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. Here in North America, it depends on the instructor, we teach hand over hand. Other parts of the world, it's hand to hand. If you palm the wheel or put your hand at the bottom, you will be deducted points. I have a complete stop behind the stop line. I look left, right, left. I move up slow. I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. You need to be able to consistently make hand over hand turns. And if you can't make hand over hand turns, you will be deducted in points. They're looking for smooth control. And that's really very, very important. So I'm coming up to the stop sign again, the light. I stop behind the stop line. I'm looking, I'm scanning my intersection, left, middle, right. Green does not mean go. Green means look and check traffic. So I'm coming up. They have the right of way over me because I'm turning, I'm looking, checking. This person's looking. I come up to the middle of an intersection. I let them clear. Then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn hand over hand out. Let's go up to this four-way stop again. Let's analyze this information. My left blinker's on, 100 feet, a half a block. We treat this as a four-way stop. I'm the last one to get here. This red truck should go. They go, they're following the route to the right of way. I look left and right. I'm going up, I'm looking, and then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. These elements are extremely important. Let's go ahead and turn in this alleyway, and I'm going to turn here, hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. Let's reverse. I'm looking left, I'm looking right. The main street has the right of way. I'm always looking. And then I turn hand over hand to the left. The rear will go to the left. The front swings out to the right. And I turn back, hand over hand. I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the right. There's a stop sign up there. It's a temporary stop. Again, we treat this as a four-way stop. The first car to get here, it's the first car to leave. I look left, right, left. Let's see if this car will even stop. No, they didn't stop. If you did that on your road test, that's automatic failure. Learn from that. Watch others. So I'm turning hand over hand, and now I'm gonna get into this angle park spot to the right. You have to know how to do these maneuvers. You split it right down the middle and you turn back hand over hand. Let's go ahead and put this in park. I'm a state certified instructor. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you really wanna learn how to drive and you have less than 10 years of experience, you need to be subscribing to my channel. This has been Driving with Myles. Thank you.